Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your lead nurturing with ConvertKit, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the New Automation button to create a new automation workflow. Select the Create from Scratch option to build your automation. Start by choosing a trigger for your automation. For lead nurturing, consider using the Joins a Form trigger. Select the specific form that you want to use for this automation. Next, add an action by clicking on the plus button below your trigger. Choose the Send Email action to communicate with your leads. Craft your email content to provide value and build a relationship. Set up a sequence of follow-up emails by adding additional send email actions. Ensure each email is spaced out appropriately to maintain engagement. Consider adding tags based on user actions to categorize your leads effectively. To do this, select that Add Tag action after your email sequences. Next, create a conditional split to customize the experience for different leads. Use if/else conditions to tailor the content based on lead responses. After setting up conditions, continue building your automation with more actions. You can add delays or time-based triggers to automate responses over time. Once satisfied with your automation, click the Save button. Test your automation to ensure everything functions as intended. Finally, activate the automation to start nurturing your leads effectively. Review the performance periodically to make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.